Welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art and I am Chandrani. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to draw mascot logo of a fantasy character, that's frog mermaid character in Illustrator. Let's get started. So I have my sketch here. It's a rough one. I am drawing the outline with the pen tool as per my rough drawing. Always keep your reference image below all of your layers. Here I am making the outline of each and every parts on individual layers. This will help us while shading. So this is very important part. You can give names of those layers as per its elements. For the base color, I am applying gradient. Now make a new layer and this will be at the top of all layers. Now draw a vertical line using simple line tool. Select the stroke style and drag the selected line to the brush panel and make it art brush. So here we have made our own brush. If you can't find the brush panel, go to the window and click on the brush option. After creating our brush, we will give a nice outline to make our subject look more like mascot. For this, we need to take a layer and this layer, we should keep this layer at the top of each and every layer. And then just draw the outline as per you feel it's necessary, not the whole object or whole subject. It's just few area to give it a nice cartoonish look. Now take a new layer above the head layer and draw the shadow. If you are choosing two color shadow, then create two layers. Each of them will have separate colors. So there will be two shades, then there will be two layer for this. Okay. Repeat the process for every parts. Our mascot logo is ready. Place your text now. So this was all for today guys. I hope you have learned and enjoy my video. If you do so, please hit the thumbs up, and if you are new, want to learn art, both hand drawing and digitally, please do subscribe my channel. If you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much for sticking with this channel. I will be back on my next video. Till then, bye.